Wednesday night is dedicated to Contender, and if you're a boxing fan and you're not there, you are missing out. But not to worry, we got you covered.
Ray and Nebby Contender time. It's Richard Frog Holmes versus Frank Catroni.
Bruising will come from bruising, Frog Holmes.
Frog have to take it.
Of course, I'm Frog.
Fightpromotions.com. Where you guys from?
Florida.
Florida.
North Carolina.
Okay, and who took the fight for you tonight?
Oh, hands down, Frog won. Actually, we came out here to support him, and we flew all the way out from, some came from Florida, North Carolina, Canada, to give support to the Ray and nephew, but especially to Frog.
What was the preparation process like tonight for you?
Intense? Yo, the thing tense. Preparation was good, was lovely. You know, I said we worked hard in the gym and it was good. Working hard, and this is what it turned out to be.
What do you think you did tonight to make it to the semis?
Well, a fight, a smart fight, and I fight my heart out, and that was victorious.
Congratulations, and we look forward to seeing you again in the semi-final.
Yeah, man, yo, the thing tense.
All right, congratulations, a job well done, a close fight. What do you think you should have done differently?
Start faster. I knew I had to start faster. It just too much in the training. It's been too many years I've been training for longer rounds.